Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Knight Rider issue 3 and we've also got a hubcap conversion kit from Mike Lane. There's the parts. I hope we don't have to use hot water for that. I've not actually checked out the instructions yet, but obviously with this hubcap conversion kit we get a magnet and some silver stickers that go over those holes on that rim. Excellent stuff. So let's have a quick look at the instructions, see what we're up to. Okay, here's the instructions, the magazine anyway, usual format. We have the television series, the picture format again exactly the same as before, Luke's 80s, and here we have kit, build your own kit parts list. Left front tyre with an I. It's not an I, it's a Y. Outside of front left rim, the front left rim, the caliper bracket, the left front hubcap, the brake disc, left 1 and 2, left front knuckle, brake caliper, front left washer, and screws AM, BP, EM and FM. Excellent. So basically put the tyre together. It doesn't mention having to soften it up. It looks like that rim will go straight through, which is brilliant. Then we put the caliper together, the brake discs, and we put the caliper with the brake disc and then fix them to the wheel. Excellent. And this is where I believe, yep, screw it in, and this is where we'll start doing the hubcap conversion. Cover them holes there and apply a magnet on the back of that rim. Excellent. So there we go. Without any further ado, let's get on with the build. Let's get the parts out. Okay, those are the parts. I'll tell you what, that is hard, very hard. See, we need these parts. These two are metal. Put them to one side. We do need the EM screws for this. Now, looking at that tyre, Goodyear Eagle GT, 65R115, exactly the same on both sides, so shouldn't really matter. Oh, nice, that fits there like that. Oh, there. We have a valve there, brilliant. And this will go on there. I should have put that one on first. Don't suppose it really matters. Take that one out anyway. Just put that one in, see if that goes in. Yeah, that's clicked in. That tyre is rock hard. Okay, let's see, line this up. And do we need to soften that, or will that go in? I think we're going to have to soften this tyre up, aren't we? There we go, there's the tyre in the hot water. We'll give that a minute or two, and in the meantime we can put the caliper together, and we need BP screws for that. That's them. There we go. Excellent. So basically that goes there like that. Yep, there's an L on there as well. Can only go one way. That goes there, screwed in with BP screws. There we go. I think that's that nice. Yep, that looks pretty good. There we go, finally focused. Okie doke, and we got the brake disc. Okay, here's the brake disc. 3 pegs, 1, 2, 3, for them 3 holes, but that notch has got to line up with that notch there. Yep. Well, let's just get that in place. There we go. Just like that. There we go. Just like that. Excellent stuff. Basically this just goes in here like that, I believe. Yep, that'll line up with this piece, but we need to do the tyre. There we go, it will go there like that. But anyway, let's complete the tyre. Okay, now let's, hopefully this will all go together now. Now first off, we can put that in. Oops, yeah, that will definitely go in now. Wow, that is so soft now. Over there nicely, and that we can now manipulate this to bring it round and line them holes up and screw it in with EM screws. There we go. Let's get the screws in. There we go. Excellent. Still hot, that tire. Brilliant stuff. But it's all in place. That valve looks great as well. Excellent. Brake components in place. Again, that is got a notch there, so that will line up with that, and pop that over that shape if it'll move over for me. There we go. My god, that was fiddly. And this piece again will fit in just there. Should sit in nicely actually. There, like that. Excellent. And we need to secure it on this side with an FM screw, and I think there's a washer as well. Okay, let's turn this over. Get this washer in place. I don't know about you, but I don't like these screw bags that they've provided. That washer goes there, and then we can pop the screw in, and all that washer's come out now. There we go. Pop it back in and screw that. Hold it in that. Steady. Excellent, there we go. Brilliant. Okie dokie. Now all we need is that rim, which should go there, and then if I can see the holes, there we go. Should line up like that, and then we normally would fit it with AM screws. But in this case, we're going to use Mike Lane's hubcap conversion kit. So I'll just get the parts ready. Okay, now with this kit you get 5 magnets. See that one fly on there then. Basically take the it sticks to the back of the, shows how powerful these little magnets are. Okay, there's the magnet in place on the rim. Excellent. And all we need to do is make sure that it's centered, is pop it in place there like that. Brilliant, gives a fantastic effect. We can pull it off that way, or you can use the little pad and the magnet extractor tool. That's with the other magnets. Now what we also need to do is fit these silver discs covers, screw covers, put them in place. I guess I'll use a cocktail stick for this. This is just to cover the holes. There we go. And we do get a little cotton bud there. Firm it in place. There we go. Covers the hole. Right, I'll do the other 4. I'll show you in a sec. There we go. You can see the silver now through the holes instead of black screws. Excellent stuff. Take that off like that. Oops. There we go. That's all them in place. That is the hubcap conversion kit. Looking brilliant. You do get spare ones. Obviously these are for the other 3 tyres, and you get 1 spare magnet as well. So there we go guys, that is it. That's the first tyre and the hub conversion kit. You do get a set of instructions with it as well. There we go. Excellent. So you can't go wrong. It does bring out a lot more quality where the car is concerned. Instead of seeing black screws there, you can see silver backing. Excellent. Lovely. Fantastic. I'm absolutely loving this. Just got to keep scratches off that car, haven't we? Being black. I remember a mate of mine having a black Capri, and when we polished it one day, it looked absolutely beautiful. Come to it 6 hours later, full of dust. He was gutted. But this isn't going to be outside anyways. It's going to be in a case. But you know what I mean, where black is concerned, it shows everything. So you got to be careful with this build. Excellent stuff. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for issue 4. Thanks for watching, stay safe, bye for now.